my many trips to Asia, flying back on the Finnair A350-900 from Helsinki, landing into London Heathrow to the west on 27 left. Descending over Hounslow Heath as we make the final approach into London Heathrow, runway 27 left. Passing over the famous Hounslow Barracks. This is a historic British Army barracks complex and dates back to the 18th century. It was originally built for cavalry regiments. Today, parts of it are still used by the military, while other sections have been redeveloped, including housing. And across to Lampton Park in the distance. It's a clear day, but there's high hazy cloud and we're dropping altitude all the time. Just below we're passing Green Lane Sports Ground and the Causeway Nature Reserve. As we pass over Hatton and the Great West South Road, we're crossing the outer perimeter. Coming into view you can see all the British Airways planes near the maintenance hangars. Almost down now, and we pass by Concorde on its home stand. Textbook landing on runway 27 left. On board the Finnair A350-900 we arrive into London Heathrow. Really enjoy flying Finnair, modern aircraft and amazing staff. Have you flown Finnair? Or maybe you have your own favourite airline. Drop me a comment if you can. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you could subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell for new future content.